to Bad's Garage. Continuing with the wiring on the XJ. Moving on to the next bit, which is this side of the battery here. And yesterday we did see that we had one here, and I've just discovered that just through here, which is actually on the same cable, it's joined there as well. So that blue cable should be attached to that blue cable there, but for whatever reason it's I'm not sure if it's been extended or what, but I'm going to take off this brown cable and just see if that reaches. And actually, just thinking about it, I've got a feeling, if I can get this light in here, I've got a feeling that might have been cropped out of that. Oh, you can't see, can you? Yeah, I've got a feeling it might have been cut out of that block. So I'll investigate that, and if I can get it back into that block, I will. If not, I'm just going to have to repair this bypass a little bit better than what it is. So what I've managed to do so far is, it is a wire that's meant to go through this block. So what I've done is I've depinned that from there, and I have adapted a solder stick to attach that to that, which I've extended by putting a solder stick on there. So basically that should now plug straight into this block, and on this side I've got a kit up here that I bought a long while ago with a load of these things in. Some are just the normal male female covered in sheaths, and then the others are sort of generic replacement block connectors. But I tried one of the male ends. Where did I put it? Yeah, I tried one of the male ends, but it won't fit into that block. So I've had to reuse the old one, which is fine anyway. Could do a bit of a cleaning off, but I'll put that back into that block, and then hopefully the female one that I've stuck on the end of this cable, which will then get solder sticked onto that one, hopefully will connect up to that one, but we'll see. Right, so with that plugged back in, this block together, I've got my tester here, and I've got it on just a noise jobby, if you know what I mean. And if this is connected okay, I should be able to push that into there, and it should make a noise when I press this. Sounds good to me, that. We'll just get that connected to this and we're away. Right, so we're all back together, and I've got this sheath over here, and I'm still getting a connection between this side and that side of the block. But this cable here is the blue and white, which is all to do with the starter system, and I can check that by turning on the ignition, and you can hear the button engage when I press it. So it's definitely been a successful connection. But that wire has been cut so many times, because I repaired the blue and white one here. I repaired this blue and white one here, and now I've had to repair it either side of this block as well. So I think somebody's had a problem with it, so they've repaired this, then realised it's not that, it's this, so they've just chopped it out and bypassed it. Very similar to how I've done that there. So yeah, but that's all fixed now. and we can get on with this one here, which not 100% certain what that is, but red and black is to do with the stop switch, is it? No. Yeah, it is partly to do with the engine on-off switch, so we'll get that fixed because that's quite an important cable as well. It looks like there's not an awful lot going off underneath here, so apart from that rubber sleeve seems to, I think that sleeve should have been further down, so it's probably a bit exposed, that's why it was taped up. So I'll get it connected back together, and then we'll heat shrink all of it. Right, so we are now block connector free, or chocolate block free, all the way down to the battery and down this side. So yeah, very happy with that. That one is now heat shrunk. A bit more difficult to get that heat shrink on there than it should have been, but anyway, that's now heat shrunk, and that blue and white wire to the starter, which we'll test one more time. It's definitely still working, so I'm happy with that job. And that's all I've got in time in the garage today. I'll come back to you possibly tomorrow with any more that I may have got done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.